Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be presenting on the quality management system in the pharmaceutical industry, which covering its evaluation structure, key components, regulatory expectations, etc. So this presentation takes you from basic fundamentals to the advanced industry leading practices. So let's start. Friends, my YouTube channel name is Pharma Quality. So please view, like, comment and subscribe my channel. So here now first we will discuss what is a QMS, that is quality management system. So we'll discuss about the basic definitions. So a quality management system is a structured set of policies, processes, responsibilities and resources established to ensure that pharmaceutical products consistently meets predefined quality standards and regulatory expectations, right? So in the simple terms, you can say the QMS, that is quality management system, is like how an organization to be ensured its product are being manufactured safely, effectively, and which is traceable and compliant as per the respective regulatory, right? Now here we will discuss why QMS is critical in pharmaceutical industries, right? So pharmaceutical directly affect patients' live. So every tablet, vial and batch must be reliable. So it means your product is directly going to be consumed by the patient to those patient who is sick, who is in critical condition, and that product will impact on their condition, on their health as per the intended use only. So there should not be any kind of side effects, any kind of negative impact of those products, right? So this is very important to follow the quality management system in your regulated companies, right? To ensure that your product are exactly the safe and you know it's as per the respective regulatory guidelines, right? So let's discuss few of the points on that. So a strong QMS ensures that consistent product quality. So QMS ensure every batch meets defined quality standards, which reducing variability and maintaining product reliability, right? Next, it is compliance with global regulations like FDA, EMS, CDSCO, and MHRA. So processes and documentation that should be aligned with the respective requirements of the regulatory to maintain full GMP compliance, right? Next is the control of risk and variability. So risk-based tools helps to identify and control the factor that could impact your product quality and process stability, right? So there should be always follow certain frame which has been designed by the different guideline, different regulatories to have a control on your product, right? Next is the prevention of data integrity issues. So generally we follow the LQA++ principles and validated system and audit trials to ensure the data remains accurate, complete and secure, right? So this is also very important to prevent the data integrity. While some auditors will come visit to your site and they can ensure that you are following the guideline as per the data integrity policy, right? Next one is the readiness for audits and inspection. So quality management system maintains continuous GMP control, ensuring documentation, processes and records are always inspection ready. So these all the QMS systems ensure the regulatory bodies that this site has been is being followed the fully regulated compliance site, and they are the product is being manufactured at their site that is as per the appropriate quality. So that organization will never face any challenges in the market, right? So now have a look on the regulatory basis of quality management system. So first and most important is ICS Q10, which is a global pharmaceutical quality system model. So ICS Q10 provides a harmonized framework for life cycle based quality management across the development, manufacturing and continuous improvement, right? Next one is the 21 CFR Part 210 and 211, which is the US FDA GMP requirements guidelines. So it defines mandatory GMP standards for the drug manufacturing, ensuring the product's safety, identity, strength, and quality and purity, right? So these are the guideline. And next one is the EU GMP and PICS guidelines. So it provides the detailed GMP expectations from European and PICS member countries, focusing on consistent quality inspection, readiness, and patient safety, right? Then next one is the WHO GMP. So one of the ISO 9001. So WHO GMP is the global GMP principle, which is aimed to ensure that quality and safety of pharmaceuticals, especially for international and public health programs. So this is also one of the guideline, and ISO 9001 is the conceptual alignment that it's not specific or limited to the pharma, right? But it provides a strong foundation for the quality management principles such as documentation, process control, and continual improvement. So while having this different kind of ISO certification, the organization shown that to regulatory bodies that they are following certain kind of principle which is proof that they are manufacturing and producing the quality products which resembles the quality management system. There is strong foundation into the QMS processes, right? So these are the basics, some regulatory guideline which more talks about the quality management system. So now here we will discuss the different elements of quality management system, right? So, a pharmaceutical quality management system typically includes, but not limited to, right? So, first one is the quality policy and quality objectives. So, the quality policy defines the organization's commitment to quality, while quality objectives translate this policy into the measurable targets. That means they ensure everyone works towards the same quality expectations, such as reducing deviation, maintaining GMP compliance, and improving customer satisfaction, right? So next one is the quality manual. So it is a high level document which describes the structure of the QMS responsibilities, key procedures, and regulatory obligations, right? Next one is the document management. So a control system for creating, reviewing, approving, issuing, and revising the GMP documents, which ensures only current and authorized documents are used in operations, which reducing the errors and maintaining compliance, right? Next one is the training and competency. So this is also very important element of QMS, which ensures employees are qualified to perform their assigned task, right? Next is deviation and incident management. So deviation and incident management is a structured approach for reporting, investigating, and closing any unplanned event that deviates from an approved process or procedures, right? Next one is the kappa system. So kappa is also one of the key QMS system, which is corrective and preventive actions to be used to eliminate the root cause of deviation or audit finding or any systemic failures, right? Next one is the change control. So change control is to evaluates and manages the planned changes to the equipment, method, material, system, or processes, right? So any kind of changes that needs to be triggered through the quality management change control processes, right? So this is also one of the key element of QMS. Next is the risk management. So risk management follows the ICS Q9 principle to identify, analyze, and evaluate and control the risk across the life cycle, right? So different kind of tools it is being used into this, like FMEA, risk matrix, etc., right? Next one is the supplier and material management. So this ensures all material and components and services that should be meet the quality standards, which include supplier qualifications, audits, UA verification, and ongoing performance monitoring, right? Next one is the equipment and facility qualification. This ensures that equipment, utilities, and facilities are designed, installed, and operated that is consistently performed as per the intended use, which covers the DQ, IQ, OQ, PQ, calibration, and preventive maintenance, etc. So next one is the data integrity framework. So it controls that ensure the data are complete, consistent, and accurate as per the Alcoa plus plus principle, right? Next one is the product quality review and annual review. So a periodic evaluation of product quality and performance over the years, which includes the analysis of deviation, complaints, the trends of analysis like stability studies and process capability and improvement to maintain the continuous control, right? Next one is the audit and continuous improvement. So internal audits, supplier audits, and regulatory inspections that evaluates compliance and identify improvement opportunities, right? Next one is the complaints and recall management. So handling the customer complaints, evaluating product quality issues, and executing recalls when required. So this is also essential for the patient safety and regulatory compliance, right? Next one is the validation and qualification for the CSV and process validation. So it covers the process validation, method validation, cleaning validation, and CSV, that is computerized system validation, which ensure the processes consistently produce and quality products, right? So this is also a very key element of the QMS. Next one is the GMP shop floor control, that is manufacturing controls, which includes the best documentation in process control, line clearance, labeling controls, and material traceability, etc. Next one is the stability management. So stability management ensures the product quality through self-life wire stability studies or trend review, right? Next is the management review. So management review is the leadership level review of the QMS performance, risk matrix, and continuous improvement action, right? Next is the complaint trend and market surveillance. So periodic evaluation of the market feedback and product defects and safety patient safety signals. So these are the some key elements of the QMS system, right? So most of the QMS system have also prepared the detailed presentation on my channel, so you can go through those videos to have a idea about those processes, right? And if you require something that I need to be prepared on this some topic, so just let me know and comment in the chat box, and I'll prepare those videos for you. So now we have already discussed the all the quality management system, so let's have some conclusion points, right? So QMS is the backbone of pharmaceutical reliability and patient safety, right? So a strong QMS ensures that every product is safe, effective, and consistent, directly supporting the patient protection, right? Next is robust QMS ensure regulatory compliance and minimizes the risk. So it aligns operations with global GMP standards and reduces the likelihood of errors, deviation, and regulatory findings, right? Next is data integrity, digitalization, and risk-based approach are now central. So modern QMS relies on Alcoa++, electronic system, and risk-driven decision making to maintain control and efficiency, right? Next is continuous improvement is essential for achieving quality excellence. So regular reviews, kappa effectiveness, and process optimization help to sustain and enhance quality over the times, right? Next one is the a mature QMS transform compliance from a requirement to strategic advantage. So when fully implemented, QMS drives the operational excellence, improves efficiency, and strengthens the market competitiveness, right? So QMS is the very important tool to follow to be in the compliant manner and produce your product in a quality product, right? With the safety and efficacy. So friends, this is overview on the quality management system in the pharmaceutical industry. So thank you so much.